Hi everyone, welcome to Nancy's Mediterranean Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you a famous Egyptian dish. It is Hawawshi. Hawawshi is pita bread with ground beef inside, and there are so many ways to cook it. Number one is to fry it in a frying pan, and that's what I will do today. If you want it crispy, that's the way. Or you can bake it, or also you can grill it outside. Let's start. My ingredients are 4 loaves of pita bread, 1 pound of ground beef, 1 large onion grated. I have here a handful of parsley chopped, 2 garlic cloves. The spices are 2 teaspoons of salt, 1 teaspoon of allspice, half a teaspoon of pepper, and half teaspoon of nutmeg. This is optional. If you like it spicy, we eat it spicy in Egypt. So I have 1 tablespoon of jalapeno peppers. I'm going to add this at the end because some of my guests don't like spicy. I will start by wearing a glove because I'm going to use my hand. I'm going to add the onion on the meat. Now I will press the garlic and add it to the meat. Then I'm going to add the parsley and the spices. And I will start mixing. Very important to mix all the ingredients together. I will start by cutting just a small opening from the side of the bread so that I can put the meat inside like this. And make sure it can open all the way so I can put the meat. I'll do the same thing with all the loaves of bread. While I'm doing that, I'm preheating the frying pan, which is cast iron, so that it's hot as soon as I put the bread on it with the meat. I'll start with the first one. I will wear my glove again. I will take a handful of meat and I will start spreading it inside the bread. Start with the bottom and press all the way around. I will start with the first one. And it's on high now just for it start like, frying. And then I'm going to put it on medium low. After 3 minutes on one side, I'm going to flip it over on the other side. I have here 1/4 cup of water that I'm going to use just with 1 teaspoon. After I flip it and make sure that it has a crispy edge, I will start adding few drops of water on it. Then I'm going to cover it. So it's supposed to be fried from both sides, and the meat inside is supposed to be juicy and moist, and that's why I added just few drops of water, because if you add a lot of water, the bread is going to be very soft and mushy, and that's what we don't want. I added 2 tablespoons of water and I covered, and I'm going to check to see if it's ready or not. It should be 145 degrees, so it's cooked. It took exactly 7 minutes and I kept flipping it on both sides. This is how it looks like. I'm going to cut it and show it to you. My Hawawshi is now ready. Each loaf of bread took like 7 minutes on the frying pan, and it's very crispy from the outside, juicy from the inside. I garnished it with some parsley. Please try it and let me know in the comments below how it goes. See you next time.